Hey guys, welcome back to another Swift programming logic tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be talking about what the enumerated function does and how to use it. So basically the enumerated function is just something which allows you to loop through lists in a bit more efficient way, I want to say. Like, it isn't faster, but it can be a bit more useful in some situations. So I'm just going to show you guys how to use it and you know what it does. So let's just create a list here. Let's just do a list like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, now let's loop through this list using the enumerated function. So the reason why this can be useful sometimes is if you want to use a for loop, but you also want to get the index of a list. So usually if you wanted to get the index of a list, you'd have to create a while loop like this and then just loop through it like list.count like that, and then you could just access the item like list I. However, if you don't want to do this for some reason or other, you know, you might not be able to use while loops, or you might not want to create a whole new variable, it might be better to use the enumerated function. So using the enumerate function, you can actually do the same thing. If you do I for index and then the element, we can just call this like list element or something like that, or let's just call this number. Basically, oh, I don't want to call it number actually, let's call it list number. And basically this is going to be like any other for loop where it's going to loop through these numbers for I in list.enumerated like that. And now what you can do is you don't have to use a while loop, but you still get all the data. So for example, you can do something like print the index is and then plus I, and underneath that let's print something like the number at this index is and then plus this number. So let's run this now, and we should actually see oh, I should need to convert this into a string like that, and now we should see that it prints what the index is and also prints what the number is. Alright, so yeah, you can see the first item of the list is 1, so it prints the index as 0 since that's where it starts, and then it prints this. So yeah, thanks for watching, and this is how you use enumerated in Swift. Now, yeah, this is just useful for if you want to loop through a list, and it might have a complicated data structure, so you can use a for loop and also get the index as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future tutorial. Bye!